Nag-sit na ako, nandyan pa din yung heart. Buong buo.
Welcome to Yuan Garden House Cafe. Here you can experience a relaxing ambience while enjoying good food and better coffee. Ang bestseller po namin for our rice meals are honey barbecue and garlic parmesan. For our pasta is arrabbiata and chicken alfredo. And among others, meron po kaming coffee. And ang bestseller po sa coffee namin are salted caramel macchiato and others such as buko matcha and strawberry matcha. Our cafe is unique because besides food and drinks, nag-offer din kami ng variety of plants sa aming garden. We are located at Sita Grande Subdivision at Via Venecia Street along the main road near the Catholic Chapel at Barangay Ibabang Iyam in Lucena City. Enjoy, unwind, and relax here at Yuan Garden House Cafe.